Welcome to my channel. Here introducing a BMW M1000RR with all its features. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The BMW M1000RR is a high-performance superbike with a 999cc inline-4 engine producing 212 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in 3.1 seconds and reaches an electronically limited top speed of 186 miles per hour. The bike's lightweight aluminum bridge frame and self-supporting rear subframe provide exceptional handling and agility. Its suspension system is fully adjustable, featuring a 45mm USD fork and a rear monoshock. The braking system consists of dual 320mm discs with 6 piston calipers and a single 220mm rear disc with a single piston caliper. The M1000RR's electronic package includes a 6-axis IMU, cornering ABS, and a range of riding modes. The bike's aerodynamically optimized bodywork includes a front fairing, side fairings, and a rear seat cowl. Its seat height is 32.7 inches, and its dry weight is 423 pounds. Priced at $32,995, the M1000RR is a premium option for serious motorcyclists seeking a high-performance superbike. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll meet soon in next video.